Where's Luna? Ah, she just disappeared. Where was she? Oh my gosh. Wait. I see her over there. Come on, Luna, get down, please. I'm not even playing games anymore. Gotcha. You were right up there. Do not disappear again with the invisible juice, okay? Well, let's see how far you do in that game. You already completed it. Oh, good job. Why? Well, Weedle's back to level 1 after it's a little stronger. That's a lot of experience points. Really? Just for one bug Pokemon? Are you kidding me? I thought... Oh my goodness. Nice going. I haven't played Pokemon Blue in years. The Game Boy Advance, but they didn't... I mean, no, not Game Boy Advance. Just Game Boy or Game Boy Color. They didn't did it in the... They didn't do 3 Advance, they scrapped it. It's going to be like, oh my goodness, Sea Blue for the Game Boy Advance and Pokemon. Wow. Good job on leveling up your Pokemon like that, mister. Why? Why choose a Pokemon? I like it. What? Oh, no. Stop. No way. I had no idea how he leveled up his Pokemon like that. To 98 or more. Ow. He got a Weedle. What the? Ow. Alright. Wait. No. Oh my god. Ow. Alright, let's see how Weedle levels up. What? Why do you level up like that? $51 experience points? I don't think Weedle will level up like that. Ooh, that's so much levels. Oh my goodness. Oh. I don't really remember who's the first starter I just choose in Pokemon. You'll see. I don't know. Ow. What? Yeah, probably. Why? What are the moves are you going to teach me? I don't know, Luna. I don't know, you tell me. Dance moves? That Pokemon looks so cute. Weedle. He's all the way back to level 1. That doesn't make sense, but you just leveled up to 168. Well, he finally got that Pokemon. Yay, I guess. Why? Oh my god. Why? He just leveled up way too much. Weedle. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Why, Weedle? Why? Why would you level up that much? Why? Oh my gosh. What the? Ow. Oh my gosh. Which Pokemon's gonna be it? Metapod? Evolve for a Caterpie. I remembered I used to like Caterpie too. Not really my favorite. I'm just gonna say he's cute. Oh no. No. Oh no. Luna? No. No! Why? Why? It just did. Okay. Wow. What is Rocket Zero? Why? What? Oh my goodness. Trainer 7 Red. Why? Who is Rocket Zero? What? Oh. You've been surprised, Luna. Oh, come on, wake up. I don't want to crash into stuff in this game, please. All because I have to wake Luna up. Oh. Donnie? Really? I'm just gonna skip doing this again. And oh, Royston's bonus stage. Really? What is Rocket Zero? Why do you say that? Why? Why? What do you mean by Rocket Zero? Why? What? Why? Q. What? Is this your only options? Yes, Donnie. Oscar's coming. I don't want him to run past me, dude. Oscar's my only favorite dog aside his cat. Along with the rest, but I'm not sure if they really appeared much in Simon's cat. I'm looking for the mice next. Well, oh good. I told you so. I was looking for them. Charizard? Wow. He just leveled the Charizard, and he hasn't learned any new of his moves yet. Oh, just like that? Are you kidding me? Really? How come? How come? Go, Charizard! Okay, I get it. I knew it. That was going to happen next. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is for sure, 100%. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with Catnip too. Hello, sir. Hello, Professor Oak. Alright, yeah. Oh, high-pitched noise to the music. Why? What the? Oh, thanks a lot, Donnie. Just wake up for now. I'll let you do it later. Oh. We keep on creating this. Crashing into this. Creating what? Aw, you gotta be kidding me, Luna. I'll wake you up after catnip mode. This goes on now. Ha. You can stay over there, Luna, if you like. It is optional for you. Oh, dear. Eee, what was that about? Flying Luna in general. Really, why? What the? Oh, man. What was that about? Oh, why? Why? Not now. Oh, man. Why? Yeah, you know what happens. They just run afterwards when I do that. Or walk. Oh my gosh. That noise. Okay. Why? What? What? Ah, there you go, Luna. Okay. Oh, man. No. Oh, good. Why are you doing this? Ow. Oh, look what I've done. Oh, my God. Ah, what happened to the music? What? Wow, Pidgey Pier. He's cute. Oh, Luna. Does this keep happening to her? What? Oh my goodness, Charmander's so cute. What? Come on, something else. Oh, and go eat. Okay, Luna. Finn. Oh my goodness. Oh, maple syrup on his nose? Maybe, yeah. Okay, good. Ready to go to another game, shall we? I guess Luna's not in this one. Oh dear. Come on, that'll be my favorite too. Oh, good. It's just you, me now, Donnie, until Luna comes back later. Oh, 5 turns. Oh, wow. Yeah. Is that true? Sure. That high-pitched noise. It seems like in the title screen you were angry at cats. Until I tapped on you by accident. Wow. Why is this? Oh, that noise again. That high-pitched noise. What's up with Pokemon over the years? I love it. Ha! This on that for change, Luna. Ah. Oh, man. It's just for a while, Luna, until you come back later at Yoshi's. Blah, 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 whatever. What? What's up with the sound effects? Oh my god. Yes, that's Nurse Joy and the Pokemon Professor. No, Pokemon Center. This is where they healed fainted and injured Pokemon there. Oh. Let's go ahead and play it again. Oh man. What the? Oh my goodness. This is the second time Luna has done this. Oh. Oh man, really? No, the name's staying. No way. It's staying Molly. And that's where I want to change the name. Nothing else. Oh man. Alright. Oh my. Why is the high-pitched noise joining the music? Why? Why? Oh my god, that's kind of funny and annoying. It remixed itself? What the what? You know what the music's doing, you know? Oh my god. We heal your Pokemon back to perfect health. Shall we heal? Yes, heal. And then Professor Oak, oh, now he's healing his Pokemon, really. And then he's like, thanks Professor Oak, I knew you could do it. I know you could heal all my Pokemon. 9 Q symbols. Really? That was from Run Corruption video. What? It was really healing the Pokemon. It wasn't. It's just putting random numbers and something like that. Yes. Supposed to heal all of his Pokemon. Not do something random in 1 second. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry? Sorry? How? Okay, sorry. You were doing something wrong, right? I forgive you. I already forgive you. Okay, it's alright. Pokemon. Why? You only forgive them when they say stars. No, sorry. You only forgive them when they say sorry. That, especially the pets I have. Oh my goodness. Is it alright? We heal your Pokemon back to perfect health. Shall we heal? Yes, heal. Oh, what's going on here? What's going on? What's the problem here? What's going on? What the? Are you okay? Oh my goodness. He's just tired. That's why he ate all that candy and then decided to sleep in all this. So much of the cheese. That noise. Why it took over? High-pitched noise like, oh my god, even though, haha, but still, stop, please. Oh man.